Welcome back, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is array techniques. So already you know the basic concept of array, isn't it? So in this we are going to study which are the basic operations we can perform in an array. So the basic operations we can perform in an array are of two types, that is sorting and searching. So let's move on to the topic. So students, the basic operations provided in an array are sorting, searching and merging. Okay, so we will study what a sorting technique is. So sorting means the process of arranging, or is a technique of arranging the elements in an array either in ascending or descending format. That is known as sorting. Sorting means it's a technique in which we sort or we arrange the elements either in ascending or descending order. Clear? So there are several sorting techniques are there in Java. That is example shell sort, quick sort, insertion sort, exchange sort, selection sort, bubble sort, etc. So among these type of sorting techniques, we want to study only two type of sorting techniques, that are selection sort and bubble sort. Okay. So when we deal with this technique of selection sort and bubble sort, so in sorting we have already studied that it's a process of arranging the elements either in ascending or descending order, that is known as sorting. So in order to exchange the values or the elements position, we want to do a special technique, that is known as swapping. So before going to the program, we want to study what a swapping is. Clear, students? Swapping means the exchanging of values of two elements, that is known as swapping. Just consider, suppose we have an array called X. Clear, students? We have an array called X. So this is our array X. So the values we stored into the array are 50, 30, 40, 20 and 10. Clear, students? So a total of 5 elements are there. So since it is an array, all of you know that each element in the array have an address. So in order to get the address, we want to set the index position, isn't it? Index position is to be set. So what is the index number of the first element? That is 0. Second one is 1, third 2, then like that the final element have the index position 4. So what is the address of the element 50? That is x of 0. That is address of the element 50. So x of 1 equal, that is x of 1 equal 30. The address of the element 30 is x of 1. So address of the element 40 is x of 2. The address of the element 20 equal x of 3. The address of the element 10 equal x of 4. So each element in the array have an address. See, the name is common. Name of the array is x common, but the index position varies and the element stored in the array also varies. So sorting means exchanging of two values. So just consider, suppose we want to exchange these two values, that is 30 to 50's position and 50 to 30 position. How we will exchange? Is it possible to exchange like this, that is x of 0 equal x of 1 and x of 1 equal x of 0? is the way to exchange these elements position. Suppose if we are doing like this, that is h of 0 means what is h of 0? H of 0 equal to h of 1, isn't it? So what is the value in h of 1? It is 30. Clear, students? So what is the initial value of h of 0? That is 50. So when we are writing in Java, when we are writing h of 0 equal h of 1, what happens? Whatever the value assigned on this side will be stored to this side, that is left side to this side. Clear? So what is the value? H of 0 equal h of 1 means, what is the meaning? What is the value in h of 1? That is 30. That is h of 0 is replaced by 30. So what is the initial value of h of 0? 50. So when we are writing h of 0 equal h of 1, it means the value stored, whatever the value in h of 0, that is changed to h of 1. That is, now the value of h of 0 is 30. So the value already present in h of 0 is removed. Clear? So when we are writing, considering the second statement, h of 1 equal h of 0. So is there any value in h of 1? Is there any value in h of 1? The value of h of 1 is already stored to h of 0. So there is no value. So swapping is not possible in this case. So in this case, in order to store the value of h of 0, we are using a special variable in Java that is known as the temporary variable. The temporary variable holds the value of h of 0. Clear, students? So then we can write like this, temp. Then we can declare a variable called temp. Temp equal, if you are writing like this, temp equal h of 0. Then h of 0 equal h of 1. H of 1 equal temp. So this is the swapping technique. When we are writing like this, what happens is, what is the value of h of 0? It is 50. The value of h of 0 is 50. Clear, students? That is, what happens? What is the value of temp? Now, when we are executing this statement, that is the value of temp becomes 50. Clear? So what is the second line? H of 0 equal h of 1. That is, h of 0 equal h of 1. What is the value in h of 1? It is 30. So after executing these two lines, the value of temporary variable becomes 50. We have stored the value of h of 0 to temporary variable, that is, it is stored to the temporary variable. Clear? Then h of 1's value will be stored to h of 0. So now what is the value of h of 1? Temp. So what is the value stored in temp? It is 50. Clear? So the values are exchanged. The value of h of 0 and h of 1 are exchanged. So this is the technique we are using in sorting. That is, swapping technique is used. So when we are going to this program, you should be aware of this technique. So students, I hope this swapping technique is clear for you. So if you are writing like this, h of 0 equal h of 1 and h of 1 equal h of 0, that is not possible. Swapping is not done over there, because the value of h of 0 will be removed over there. Whatever the value, the value of h of 1 will be removed. So swapping is not possible over there. That is, the values of two elements can't be exchanged if you are writing like this. So in order to swap the values of two elements in Java, we are using a special variable. That variable is known as the temporary variable. So with the help of the temporary variable, and if you are writing these three statements, so a set of 3 lines are there executed. So this is the swapping technique. So Here what happens is the value of h of 0 is stored to temporary variable. Then the value of h of 1 is stored to h of 0. So in the final statement, h of 1 holds the value of temporary variable. So the temporary variable holds the value of h of 0. So this is a swapping technique. So students, I hope this is clear for you. So when we are studying this sorting technique, this swapping concept is very important. So without knowing this concept, we are not aware of that particular program. So keep in mind about this technique, swapping technique. I hope this concept is clear for you. If you have any doubts, you can clarify your doubts in your next coming sections.